Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have another meal plan and Costco haul to share with you. So currently I am sitting in the Costco parking lot waiting for the store to open because Ezra and Ava ran out of diapers this morning and my baby and toddler need diapers today. So I had to be here bright and early. While I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and do the grocery shopping we need for the next couple of weeks. And I decided to go ahead and share our meal plan with you guys as well for the beginning of April. Now, with April, spring weather is upon us and I am really struggling with spring fever. I don't have any desire to cook right now. The last thing I want to do is be in the kitchen. I want to be outside in the garden. I have a bunch of house projects I've been working on, and probably like a lot of you out there, I'm spending a lot of hours researching homeschool curriculum. For those of you that are new around here, in case you don't know, my name is Sarah. I am the homeschool mom of 5 kids. They are ages 13, 12, 7, 3, and 1. My husband is currently working from home full-time, so that is 7 people in our household, 3 meals a day. So today I'm going to share a 10 dinner meal plan with you, as well as all of the groceries I grabbed from Costco to go along with it. Now, you will probably notice there is a theme to this meal plan. I am definitely trying to do meals that are easy, dump and go, don't take me a lot of time, just something I can throw in the crock pot, put in the oven real fast, not have to spend a lot of time in the kitchen. So let's just jump right into it. First up are Cobb Salads. I like to just grab a rotisserie chicken here from Costco or some chicken breasts that I have in my freezer, cook those up real fast in the Instant Pot and shred them up and put them on top of a bed of lettuce. I will use bacon crumbles, sometimes some hard-boiled eggs, again, made in the Instant Pot, some cheese, just throw all of those together, make nice, really big salads for everyone. My kids actually really enjoy this, salad with bacon and cheese and chicken. I mean, who doesn't like that? Next up, a repeat here on our channel. Quite often we enjoy fish tacos. I like to buy Costco's tortilla crusted tilapia and just make really simple fish tacos. You can just bake the fish in the oven. It takes like less than 15 minutes. Really super fast dinner. Number 3 is chicken and wild rice casserole. I will make sure to leave a link down below to my website where I share my recipe for this casserole. It is so simple. It just takes Uncle Ben's wild rice and chicken breasts and green beans and some cream of mushroom soup. You just put all of it together into a casserole and throw it in the oven and bake it. So simple, so easy, and it is definitely a crowd pleaser in our house. Number 4, kind of similar to that, is another casserole. This is spaghetti and meatball casserole. Again, another dump and go recipe that I can just put all of the ingredients into that 9x13 pan, throw it in the oven, forget about it, and dinner is ready. Number 5 is a sheet pan meal. This is something I'm kind of experimenting with, learning how to do over the last couple of years, but one of our favorite things to do on a sheet pan is salmon. And so I will just grab some salmon fillets, maybe some asparagus since it's springtime, put that on a sheet pan with some other veggies in the oven, and just have a really quick and easy, healthy dinner. Number 6, another salad. This one's definitely not so healthy. A Big Mac salad or cheeseburger salad, however you want to refer to that. I just have found some basic recipes for this on Pinterest, but it's basically just a bed of lettuce with some ground beef, cheddar cheese, chopped up pickles. You can make a special sauce mayonnaise dressing to put over top. Just delicious. Another recipe that I really like to eat in the spring, I'm not really sure why, is turkey Tetrazzinni. This is just a simple kind of casserole pasta recipe. I think it reminds me of spring because it has peas and mushrooms in it. But that would be a great recipe for just a dump and go recipe for us one night. I especially like the turkey breasts that you can find here at Costco. I can normally buy one and split it into 2, sometimes even stretch into 3 different meals. So I will take the leftover turkey from that, and I'm hoping to just make some grilled sandwiches, grilled turkey and cheese sandwiches, maybe pair it with some, tomato soup or a salad, something like that. Something quick and easy that I can maybe even farm out to my middle school kids, my 13 and 12-year-olds who are learning to do a good bit of cooking in the kitchen. That's a meal that I can maybe even ask them to make. Number 9 is a new recipe. It's going to be a crock pot recipe. I'm sure it's not new to you guys. It's been around forever. I've heard so many other YouTube moms talk about it, but it is crack chicken chili. If you're not familiar, to me, it is just like a chicken ranch cream cheese based type of soup that has a lot of other Mexican inspired ingredients in it. So I'm planning to pair this alongside of some tortilla chips and probably salad. Can you tell we eat a lot of salad in our family? We do. But that'll be a really great meal for me to just be able to put in the crock pot in the morning during school, and hopefully we'll be ready to go for dinner that night without much effort on my part. Last up is something we do, at least once a month in our house, Brinner, which is breakfast for dinner. Sometimes we'll do scrambled eggs with sausage links. Sometimes I'll even get, really inspired and make some pancakes or some French toast. Just depends on what we have in the fridge, what we have easily available that week or that night for dinner. But breakfast for dinner, it's an oldie, a goodie, and a favorite for my kids. All right, so those are the 10 meals that I'm planning for the beginning of April. I'm going to run into Costco now that they are open, and then I will share the haul of groceries with you once I get back home. Starting out down here on the floor is the one item I was actually headed to Costco for: diapers. All right, so I tried my best to organize all of the groceries. It was a little bit difficult. First of all, we have some liquid IV. You guys know that I love this. This is a new one. We haven't tried this tangerine flavor yet, so that will be fun to try. Next, starting out with kind of like breakfast foods, here is just 2 dozen eggs. We also get eggs from my brother and sister-in-law who have chickens, but I use Costco to supplement. Here is some cold brew Colombian coffee. Justin and I like to use this and make our own kind of like frappuccino drinks. A big 2-pack of granola. The kids love this on top of their yogurts for breakfasts. 1 bag of the breakfast chicken sausage. The kids will use this for breakfasts, and then we'll also use that one night for Brinner. A 3-pound bag of our favorite coffee from Costco, the Colombian brand. And then we were just running low on honey. We use this to sweeten all types of things, so I just picked up a 3-pack of the Kirkland brand organic raw honey. Moving on to produce, here is a 2-pound clamshell of strawberries. These were the first strawberries that looked decent at all this season. A 2-pack of baby carrots. A package of these cute little cucumbers, which Ezra will love because they have Cookie Monster on them. Some celery sticks. 2 pounds of organic asparagus. I'm going to use this for that salmon sheet pan dinner, but then I think we might also be able to use another side dish for this one night. I think this will be enough for 2 meals. A 6-pack of bell peppers, 2 3-pound bags of apples, 2 3-pound packages of bananas, a large bag of clementines, spring mix lettuce, just a really nice big box of it, a large clamshell of blueberries, 2 clamshells worth of raspberries. And then, as I say every time I show you guys produce, we will finish all of this within about 6 or 7 days. So I will definitely have to stop in at Aldi and refresh all of these fruits and vegetables. Moving on to lunch and dinner items. First of all, here's ingredients for that crack chicken chili. A large container of this ranch seasoning. Obviously, this is going to last us for a lot more than just one recipe. Down here is 8 cans of organic black beans. Then moving on to some fish items, here is a package of that tortilla crusted tilapia that we love to use for fish tacos. And then we also love these marinated salmon fillets. I will use these for that sheet tray dinner with the asparagus. Speaking of tacos, here is a large pack of tortillas. We'll use these for fish tacos and then also for wraps and things like that for lunch. And then a 3-pound container of sour cream. I picked up one of these large loaves of sourdough bread. We can use this for those turkey sandwiches and then also just for sandwiches at lunchtime. Here are the cheddar cheese slices that we'll use for grilled sandwiches and then also just for lunchtime. A package of butter because we need it for all things cooking. I picked up a rotisserie chicken. We will use this to make Cobb salads tonight for dinner. I will just shred up all of this chicken and put it on top of the lettuce. We love these Kirkland turkey breasts. Again, I will use this for grilled sandwiches as well as for that turkey Tetrazzinni recipe. Speaking of that, here is an 8-pack of spaghetti noodles as well as a 6-pack of just different pasta noodles. I will use some of these in particular for that spaghetti and meatball bake. Back here is a large bag of their Parmigiano Reggiano. We use this on all types of recipes and on top of salads. 6 pounds of frozen Italian meatballs, again for spaghetti casserole, but we can use these for sandwiches, for barbecue meatballs. These will definitely last us a couple of months. Next is just a heavy whipping cream. Back here is a bag of their frozen broccoli florets. I was so glad they finally got their organic frozen broccoli back in stock. I don't have this planned for any particular meal, but we like to use this for side dishes, even sometimes at lunchtime. A large 2-bag package of sharp cheddar cheese, and then just a large package of chicken nuggets that the kids can use for lunches or even just for a quick dinner one night. A box of fruit and vegetable pouches for my 1-year-old and 3-year-old, and then kind of moving into snacks. Yes, a 2-pack of baby dill pickles. My son Ezra in particular loves to eat these for snacks. I picked up a big container, 4 pounds of animal crackers. This will probably last the kids the month. Just a large bag of tortilla chips and a large pack of Pirate's Booty. This is kind of a treat for the kids this time around. My total today was $432. Whew, it is windy, windy, windy today. Okay, if you enjoyed today's video, please take a second, give it a thumbs up, like it down below. If you have not done so already, please subscribe to our channel and leave me a comment. Let me know something that is on the menu for you this month in the month of April. I hope that you all are having a great spring. See you later.